Number 1. 1976 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead, $4,500, Friendsville, Maryland. The 1976 Harley-Davidson Shovelhead remains one of the most iconic American V-twin motorcycles ever built, admired for its unmistakable styling, strong aftermarket support, and unmistakable exhaust note. Shovelhead Customs continue to attract enthusiasts who appreciate old-school Harley craftsmanship and timeless custom builds. According to the seller, this motorcycle features custom Ghost Flame paint, along with an S&S Superstock crankcase, giving it both visual appeal and upgraded performance components. For riders searching for a classic custom Harley with plenty of personality, this Shovelhead offers a distinctive vintage package. Number 2. 1979 Honda GL1000 Goldwing, $3,000, Burnsville, North Carolina. The 1979 Honda GL1000 Goldwing represents the final and most refined version of Honda's legendary first-generation Goldwing. Known for its smooth flat-4 engine, long-distance comfort, and exceptional reliability, the GL1000 remains a favorite among vintage touring enthusiasts. According to the seller, this road-ready example has recently received major maintenance, including new timing belts, valve adjustment, fresh coolant, new spark plugs, and a new rear tire. It also comes equipped with a touring seat, fairing, and genuine Honda hard luggage, while offering the flexibility to return to its original naked appearance. For buyers seeking a classic touring motorcycle that's ready for the road, this Goldwing is an excellent choice. Number 3. 1973 Triumph Tiger, $4,200, Madison, Wisconsin. The 1973 Triumph Tiger captures the classic spirit of British motorcycling with its responsive parallel twin engine, lightweight handling, and timeless styling. Well-maintained Tigers remain highly desirable among collectors and riders looking for an authentic vintage British motorcycle. According to the seller, this example starts on the first kick and features new tires, a Payson electronic ignition, a professionally finished paint job, polished aluminum rims with stainless steel spokes, and a new seat. With these thoughtful updates already completed, this Triumph is presented as a strong example that's ready to be enjoyed. Number 4. 1976 Yamaha XS650, $1,800, Beaver Creek, Ohio. The 1976 Yamaha XS650 is one of Japan's best-known classic twin-cylinder motorcycles, appreciated for its dependable design, simple mechanics, and enduring popularity among vintage motorcycle enthusiasts. Featuring both electric and kickstart, the XS650 continues to be a popular platform for restoration and customization. According to the seller, this motorcycle retains its original paint and includes several useful extras, along with numerous recently replaced parts such as the battery, ignition coils, spark plugs, air filters, and petcocks. While it currently cranks but does not start and may require carburetor work, it offers a promising project for someone looking to bring a classic Yamaha back to the road. Number 5. 1973 Norton 750 Combat, $9,000, Defiance, Missouri. The 1973 Norton 750 Combat is one of the most celebrated British performance motorcycles of its era, combining the legendary Commando platform with the high-performance Combat engine specification. Its cafe racer styling and limited availability continue to make it highly desirable among collectors. According to the seller, this motorcycle is a well-sorted cafe racer with a clean title and is becoming increasingly difficult to find. For enthusiasts searching for a rare British classic with lasting collector appeal, this Norton 750 Combat represents an exciting opportunity. Number 6. 1975 Suzuki T500 Titan, $5,000, Crawfordville, Florida. The 1975 Suzuki T500 Titan remains one of the most respected two-stroke motorcycles of the 1970s, known for its smooth power delivery, dependable twin-cylinder engine, and distinctive exhaust note. Its combination of classic styling and strong performance continues to make it a favorite among vintage Japanese motorcycle enthusiasts. According to the seller, this custom cafe racer has received extensive upgrades, including handmade exhaust pipes, a custom fuel tank and seat, electronic ignition, rebuilt engine internals with oversized pistons, new suspension components, fresh tires, and numerous handcrafted details. For buyers looking for a unique vintage Suzuki with custom craftsmanship, this Titan stands out from the crowd. Number 7. 1978 BMW R80/7, $7,000, Alpharetta, Georgia. The 1978 BMW R80/7 is a highly regarded airhead that blends classic boxer twin performance with the durability and comfort BMW is known for. Well-restored examples continue to attract collectors thanks to their timeless design and long-distance touring capability. According to the seller, this California-owned motorcycle has undergone an extensive mechanical restoration, including transmission work, suspension service, fuel system updates, carburetor tuning, and new tires. It also features a rare police-style solo seat with the original seat included, along with an original BMW first aid kit that adds to its historical appeal. For enthusiasts seeking a well-preserved vintage BMW, this R80/7 is an impressive example. Number 8. 1969 Triumph 150 Trident, $8,500, Conneaut, Ohio. The 1969 Triumph 150 Trident is one of the most iconic British performance motorcycles ever produced, famous for its smooth three-cylinder engine and distinctive character. Early Trident models remain highly collectible due to their performance, rarity, and important place in British motorcycle history. According to the seller, this example has benefited from a professionally rebuilt engine along with a new wiring harness, updated electrical components, fresh exhaust system, stainless spokes, new Dunlop tires, brake shoes, and chain. The original fuel tank, fenders, and seat are also included, making this a well-presented classic that's ready to ride or display. Number 9. 1973 Bultaco Alpina 250, $3,500, Powhatan, Virginia. The 1973 Bultaco Alpina 250 is a classic Spanish dual-purpose motorcycle, admired for its lightweight design, capable off-road performance, and rugged simplicity. Original Alpina models have become increasingly desirable among collectors who appreciate vintage European motorcycles. According to the seller, this example retains matching engine and frame numbers and has remained largely original since new. The original fiberglass tank has been sealed for modern ethanol fuel, and the motorcycle still features its original Acron aluminum rims and Baytor suspension. For enthusiasts searching for an authentic vintage trail bike, this Bultaco represents a rare opportunity. Number 10. 1982 Honda Goldwing GL 1100, $800, West Frankfort, Illinois. The 1982 Honda Goldwing GL 1100 is a legendary touring motorcycle known for its smooth, flat-four engine, comfortable ride, and outstanding long-distance capability. Even project examples remain popular thanks to their durable mechanical design and strong enthusiast community. According to the seller, this interstate model has already been partially converted into a bobber and still runs and drives, although it requires additional work to complete the project, including attention to the brakes, wiring, paint, and foot pegs. For buyers looking for an affordable vintage Honda project with plenty of potential, this GL 1100 offers a solid starting point.